Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manicus Valentinko. What's wrong with you? Hot, too hot. Drinkgasm. 1 part chocolate milk, 1 part 2% milk. Hot. That's cool. Oh. Better. Ooh. Okay. Weird start, but that was weak. I'll try and get a better burp by the end of the video. Promise. That ain't it. All right. Okay, you guys. For today, we're gonna do a couple of different things. I had one question that someone asked me that was really kind of outside the box, and we'll cover that in a second. But I also thought it might be nice to do some poetry for you, and yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay? So, what poem should I do? Well, whenever I'm stuck about doing what kind of piece of nothing is rattling around my head, which, to be fair, a lot of stuff usually is rattling around my head, but the only thing I'm thinking right now is hot. So yummy. So, I'm going to go to my trusty book. It's called Sunset Soul. It's some of the earlier poetry that I've done, and I'll do one of those for you real quick. Okay? Let's get into this. Okay, this piece is called Soulmate by Manicus Valentinko. Duh. Alright. See if I can put some dramatic flair into it. Yeah? That'd be good. Little theater. Okay. I see the moon beaming above me, filling my heart with subtle delight. It only compares to the love we share, which gives the earth a warmer light. Holding you close and kissing your lips makes my cheeks warm and pink. Your beauty is without comparison, making it a waste of time to blink. I hold your hand and walk the path, not caring where I go. Mattering not the path is dark, it stays lit with your heart's warm glow. Time stretches into forever, but we will never seem to grow old. But we notice the passage of time, however long that it takes to unfold. The universe smiles down on us, and we happy to smile back in kind. Because our happiness comes from perfection beyond all celestial design. In closing, I tell you, friends, to look into each other's eyes and gratitude renown. For in those eyes you will discover the greatest love ever found. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So, there we go. Hope you liked it. Okay, so we got. Oh, freaking. Okay. Let's see. All right. Train of thought derailed. Oh, chugga. Okay, here we go. The question that I got was from my friend Demetrius, who I've actually known for about 15 years. He's super solid cat, real nice guy. I love talking to him and BSing with him about a ton of different stuff. He's got a good head on his shoulders. Oddly enough, though, he actually made one request better, but not quite. Stay tuned. All right. Anyway, I apologize for offending your sensibilities. So crass, so vulgar. Anyway, so he said, Matt, because that's my name. He said, Matt, do you remember that one time at that one party, that one day where you met that one girl but didn't like her, but she kind of liked you, and you said, nah, and she ultimately said, nah, because she thought you were this and blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, yeah. Point. Make it. Yeah, and he's like, yeah. Do you remember what you did at that party? And I'm like, what? Which thing? It was a real good party. Matt, remember you actually did that laugh? Remember that laugh? And I'm like, was there something funny? And he's like, the Joker! You laughed like the Joker and it was perfect! And I'm like, oh! Yeah? And he's like, okay, teach people how to laugh like the Joker. Look, no kidding. Demetrius is a solid cat. He's really cool, but he's random AF. Just pretty much why I love him. So, he wanted me to teach people how to laugh like the Joker, or they weren't gonna die from heat exhaustion. So, guys, and I'm sorry, I'm going to apologize for right now that me teaching you anything takes a little bit of time. It takes a little perspective, and I'm kind of a baby. I can't speak. A long-winded cat. Meow. But I got to do this. So here's how Maticus laughs like the Joker. For those 9 people who have lived under a rock and have had no access to anything relating to comic books or comic theory or even a passing reference to the Batman, the Joker is a supervillain. Oddly enough, not really super in my opinion, because like Batman, he has no powers. He's just weird, villainous, murderous, funny. He's cool. All right, he's bar none one of the most popular DC supervillains that there are. To laugh like the Joker, many actors have tried it. I would recommend searching YouTube for George. What's that cat's name? Cesar Romero. George Romero did Night of the Living Dead. Not the same dude. Cesar Romero, who did it for that really bizarre ass Adam West Batman thing. Okay, he was fantastic at it. Jack Nicholson's when Tim Burton did the thing with what's her face, Mr. Mom, Michael Keaton. Yeah, the Vulture. Yeah, when he was Batman, it was sinister. Not my favorite laugh though. Heath Ledger, he got the insanity of the Joker down pat, a really demented level. But the laugh, it wasn't fun. It was just crazy. And then, of course, you got Jared Leto. It was okay. Meh. Long story, less long. A lot of people have tried it. But bar none, the absolute best Joker laugh I've ever heard came from the illustrious and my heart, Mark Hamill, who for the Batman animated series played the Joker through most, if not all of it. Because I think he took a break from it for a long time and then whatever. But his Joker was spot on. It was on point. It was the shit. It was awesome. Okay. And my Joker is a sad parody of that. But here's how it's done. First, before you make the action, you have to understand the person who is doing the action, right? To laugh like the Joker, you have to think like the Joker. You have to feel like the Joker, because laughter is an extension of how we think and feel, what we think is funny. So, because he is very much a nihilist and thinks very dark things and is unrepentant in his mania, there's things you got to do inside your head in order to do it properly. Otherwise, it just comes off as canned. Meh. So, first, be dead inside. This creates a blank canvas. Okay? Some people can do it naturally, like politicians and people who like Smurfs. I look forward to your hate mail. So, dead inside. Then, imagine that nothing is funny. But Matt, you're trying to do the Joker. I know. And I'm trying to tell you, the Joker thinks nothing is funny. And that's going to be a heavily debated issue. But that's what happens when people make conclusions at the beginning of the statement and at the end. Because nothing is funny, because to him, life is the joke. And he is so insane and wants to kill people because no one gets it. Make sense? Okay? So, inside. Dead inside. But then you think about life. You think about what life has done to you. How it was unfair. You think about pain. Deep, harrowing pain. A pain so deep that it touches the very bottom of a black and empty soul, and yet still finds to find layers ever deeper. And that pain makes you want to cry, because there is nothing but pain. Pain is everywhere. Pain is in everything you eat. It's in everything you read. It's in everything you see, everything you touch. Everything is pain. And then, once you have that locked on, and you are near tears, then you take away hope. The hope that pain can ever be anything other than more pain. And there it is. Futility. And that futility, that lack of hope, mixed in, it becomes a torrent. It becomes chaos. It becomes deep, black nothing. And once you understand the futility of everything, and you watch as people move silently through. So freaking hot. Move silently through their lives, smiling. Why are they smiling? See people laughing. They're laughing like hollow fools. They don't understand true joke. They don't understand the joke. They don't understand that life is nothing, that it is death. It's the joke. And no one gets it but you. And that realization, you let it grow. That feeling of chaos, mania, desire, as You don't want to see people happy. There's no reason to be happy. Those people don't deserve to be happy. They deserve to suffer. They deserve to die because they don't get the joke. And once you understand that philosophy, and it is inside your very blood, pumping through your shriveled heart, then, and only then, in the futility of it, laugh, laugh, and laugh with all you have. And while you do that, remember the rules of theater. Remember the rules of drama. Start small and build. So now you have the theater. You have a stage presence. Your voice is elevated. You understand that everybody around you is absolutely mad, and the only one brave enough to live the truth is you. Isn't that funny? And once you've mixed all of that together, kiddies, once you have that inside you, once everything is inside and it's churning and the fire's burning and boiling over, you understand. And then you snicker. And scene. And that's how you laugh like the Joker. So freaking hot. Okay, so we've covered poetry, we've covered my learning how to laugh like the Joker. Hope you guys like that. Give it a thumbs up for that, because I had to dig deep for that crap. My God. And if you liked it. Okay. That's it for me. All right, you guys. That's all I got. So I'm gonna take a cold shower. It's so freaking. It's gone. But as always, keep the shadows. Oh, wait, hang on. That's all I got. Damn. Next time I'm gonna get some root beer and really have at it. This is probably the grossest video you've ever watched. I'm sorry. But keep the shadows at your feet and forever out of your heart. I loves ya. I appreciate ya. Laters.